Hi everyone! So today I have to get something off my chest. Last Friday I uploaded a flip through of Nostalgia Craft's Winter Joy collage book and I got some reactions of it being copied of Maremi's. I honestly thought it was an original made book. Sure, the images look a lot like Marta's, but the creative world is so big it's very difficult to create things that don't look alike. But until I know for sure these are originally drawn and colored images by Nostalgia Craft, I have removed the video. So now back to this one, made only with images of Maremi's. For today I made a jumbo card. It's a DIY jumbo card and the measurements are 3.5 by 5 inches. I cut this one out of a blank white postcard. I chose white because of the white border around the house.
All I
This was a short one, and because I zoomed in, I was sometimes out of focus. I need to pay more attention to that next time. I love the fresh colors of this card, and it was very easy to make. But it doesn't have to be difficult to be beautiful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!